Welcome to Turtle Fox Rex. Now, we got this big old box right here, and it's full of junk. And we just moved, and so we're kind of going through like these old boxes that have all kinds of junk. And I found something in it, in the bottom of it, that the boys haven't seen. It was something that I collected when I was a kid, and they have no idea. They have guesses, but they haven't come anywhere close to the truth. So this is going to be kind of a surprise for them, and we're going to share this collection that I had when I was a kid with them and with you guys. So
is it like a lot of items?
Is it a lot of items?
Yeah, like, is it a big collection?
It's a collection, yeah, with many different items.
Okay.
Yes.
Is it pieces of like electronical stuff?
It's nothing electronic.
Well, of course not. I don't think phones were invented back
When I was a kid?
Yeah.
Well,
I'm
I mean,
joking. I knew phones were a thing back then.
I mean,
Electronics.
yeah, I'm talking about like.
It's not a thing that most kids collect. So I was
like-
kind of nerdy in that way. All right, so I'm going to take the box off of the table, and I'm just going to fish out, because they're in frames, actually.
Oh, what? So it's like a picture? Or... Hold on. How many frames?
Is it rocks?
Okay. I'm just
well,
going to start with
Do you
this
put
one here.
rocks in a frame?
I'm just going to start with this one right here.
I mean, like thin ones.
Okay.
Something fell.
Okay, we're going to start with this one, and there's several frames, and here we go. This is what it is.
Oh!
So,
So it's pins.
yes, do you know what they are? Any idea?
No.
Well, I kind of have a clue right here.
It's a president.
Yeah,
No.
so these are people that ran for president. So LBJ, he was actually a president. So Lyndon Johnson. So Johnson and Humphrey, he ran with Humphrey. And so this one right here, for example, AFL-CIO, that's a union. So
How old are these pins?
he was president in the after Kennedy, so
Wait,
in the
so
late 60s.
Who was?
Johnson
Okay.
and Humphrey. And then Humphrey
Wait,
ran.
both of them?
Well, Humphrey ran
president?
for president later,
Okay.
I think against Nixon, and he lost really badly
Okay.
against Nixon.
Because he already ran before?
Well, he wasn't very popular. Nixon was actually quite popular, and then it was there was a coup that took Nixon out of office. It was crazy.
Oh, okay.
So, but these buttons are about
Buttons?
yeah, or pins. You know, they're like 50 to 60 years old.
Oh,
They're about 50 years old.
these are pretty cool.
Yeah. So these
How do you get them framed? Like,
I bought the frame and I put them in there. So I
could
framed
you
them
have
myself.
like more room, or?
Yeah, I probably could have.
Yeah, but you just wanted to have like all the presidents, so you
So
only use this much room.
These were all of my LBJ and Humphrey, because Humphrey ran with LBJ. So Humphrey ran as vice president with LBJ, and then he ran for president by himself. So that's what these are. These one right here were meant to be folded over. You can see this one was actually used. See how it's got a crease in the metal right there?
Mhm.
So that one was actually folded over. But these were never folded. So these are in better condition. And all of these are originals. There are some, I might have some that were replicas, but these are all originals. So,
Okay.
and
What's
I
that?
have no idea what they're worth today.
What
I
is
have no
this?
clue. That looks like a bug or something.
Ew.
I don't know.
Why'd you touch it?
I didn't touch it.
I don't know what it is.
I
No,
did touch it.
It's not a bug. It's like a stick or something.
Okay.
These have been in a box for a long time. So.
How long?
Well, I don't think I think
How-
that I have had these in the bottom of a box for a very long time.
Yeah, that explains why the box is so terrible.
So a few years worth.
Yep. So
So is that like old stuff that you had?
yeah, it's old stuff. Here's my high school, my Wrestling headgear.
Oh. Is this all just childhood stuff?
Yeah.
I thought this would be thicker.
So this is a box that I've just moved a bunch of times.
Oh wow.
So here's Ross Perot. I really liked Ross Perot. I still do. He ran as not a Republican or a Democrat. He ran as an independent in 1992. And I liked
Why aren't these ones framed right here?
What's
Oh
that?
shoot. Why aren't these ones framed? They're in like
Are they like some of the replica? Oh wait.
Yeah,
That's
so
like-
that one's a cool one. So this is
yeah,
I like
that's
Ike.
true.
That was Eisenhower. He was president in the 50s. So that one's probably like 70 years old. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. So,
And so-
who gave that to you?
So I bought these at
Oh, you bought them.
at like antique shows and stuff.
So
and
this one right here isn't even.
Oh wait, I found another
so
one.
yeah, these
Yeah, that one's used.
Another one.
Yep, so this is Nixon and Agnew. So they ran and didn't. That was before Nixon became president.
So that one's also been used.
Wait, who's Dick?
Yep, that's right. Dick. So Ike and Dick. That was Ike and Eisenhower and Nixon. So Eisenhower, his nickname was Ike, and so they said Ike and Dick, but because it was Dick Nixon, Richard Nixon. So yeah, so all of these are like, and this one,
Chris?
and I don't remember who he ran with, but that was before he ran with Nixon.
Ike Star Chris.
And he ran with Nixon. Nixon was a senator from California. And Nixon became really popular because he was one that really fought against the communists, as the communists were trying to take over back in the 40s
so
and 50s.
are we gonna look?
Yeah, so now let's look at these.
Oh wow, that is huge.
Yeah, so do you know who that is?
No.
Is that Trump?
Nope, no, that
Oh
was
wait.
that was John F. Kennedy. So he was, and
That one's like.
he was assassinated actually.
He
So
does
he was,
kind of look like Trump, just like in a younger stage.
he does kind of, doesn't he?
Wait, so
That's
who?
kind of similar.
Kennedy?
And less
Kennedy,
hair.
yeah. He was assassinated. Do you know what that means?
Yes.
Killed?
Yeah, he was murdered while he was in office, while he was the president in 1964.
Here's another Nixon one.
I think it was 64.
Hasn't been used.
64 is when he became president.
Why is there a Goldwater pins?
So Goldwater, I really like Goldwater too. He was from Arizona.
Oh.
And he ran for president in 64. He ran against Kennedy as a Republican.
So there's a.
Yep, so that's an I Like Ike pin, kind of more of a fancy pin, and that's with the original paper and stuff. So
Gold plated.
that one's pretty cool. This one right here is, who is that?
So
It's
Dad,
boys.
Penrose.
I can
So
tell
for
you
senator.
did this as a kid because look at all this mess.
Well, they kind of fell.
Oh.
It shifted. They didn't really stay in place very well.
Yeah, this like frame is almost
This one's-
falling apart.
This one's kind of funny. So the donkey, because McGovern was a Democrat, and the donkey is the symbol of the Democrats. Do you know what the symbol of the Republicans is?
What?
You've probably seen it. Do you have a guess?
No.
It's an animal. The elephant.
Oh right.
If you were to choose one, a donkey or an elephant, which would you choose?
Elephant.
No kidding. Who wouldn't, right?
Well, now I notice why that's an elephant.
Yep, that's right. That's right. So these are mostly from these are from the
also,
50s all the way through the 70s,
You
right?
brought that up.
Oh yeah, so there's some more in here. I don't even know what's in here.
Loose pens.
I want to wear one of these. I don't think there's any more in there.
Oh wait.
No more.
I actually got that when I was a kid on a Delta flight.
Really?
Yeah. I think that these are reproductions. So these aren't originals.
I found one stuck in another one.
You can tell because it says right here, it says reproduction. Do you see that?
Oh yeah.
So these aren't.
Oh
these
yeah,
aren't
another
originals.
reproduction.
Yeah.
So this one's basically just plastic, like not really metal.
So this right
Who
here.
was Chester?
Oh,
A.
what is
Arthur?
this? Is this safe? Is this safe?
Well, there's one right here.
Oh, because
Okay.
they stick out.
Yeah.
Yeah, they did, didn't they? That's the way they made them. So this is
So who's
He's got a
Chester
skinny neck.
A. Arthur?
Arthur.
Oh, body.
So he ran like the late 1800s, I think. You can tell by his mustache.
Look at it.
Yep. Yeah, it seems kind of dangerous how they're sticking out, isn't it? Okay, so
They can
let's.
just stare at us.
You can
all
put those
video.
back in the envelope.
No, we're just gonna make them so that they stick and stare at us the whole video. It's just reproduction.
Okay, so this
It's a
pretty
reproduction. That's
this one was a reproduction, but these are all originals, and these go. This is
That
a
one's pretty
collection from.
Oh, I like that one.
Yeah, I like those too. The Sunflower was. Landon was a Republican that ran against FDR. He ran against him a couple times. So this is
that
FDR.
Is that a sticker?
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
How'd the sticker shattered as well?
I don't know. It just broke. So this has moved many times. So this is just a collection from.
I found some foam from
1932.
inside.
So this one here is 90 years old.
Oh,
And
that explains why it's
Gray?
weird.
yeah. So
Like grayish brownish?
and so he was president. That's Franklin Delano Roosevelt. He was president during World War II.
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
And he was president for 4 terms. So for 16 years he was president.
Dad.
Ooh, big one!
These are all Carter, and I personally
Carter?
don't
Who's-
really like Jimmy Carter, but
Who's Carter?
I had a bunch of Carter buttons. So
Why?
Jimmy Carter, he was president in the 70s.
Did he run for Republican?
No, he was a Democrat.
Oh, okay.
Jimmy Carter looks squirrely at the truth inflation.
So I mean, squarely at the truth,
What? What
because
is
there
that?
there was massive inflation back in
What
the
is that?
70s. That's Jimmy Carter and Mondale, who was his running mate. So these got kind of damaged in the bottom of the box, didn't they?
Yeah, it looks like.
Looks like they
Dad.
got a little wet.
How old do you think that bug is?
I don't know.
When did you first frame it?
So these are all from the 80s. And
So old.
so
Also, why
Ronald,
does it look like he was shot?
I don't know.
Also, why is his forehead so big?
That's Jesse Jackson. He's a character. He was a character. He's still alive.
Really?
Yeah, but Ronald Reagan,
From
he
the
was awesome.
80s?
He was awesome. I really like Ronald Reagan. And his vice president was George Bush, who I don't like so much personally, but that's my. All right, so now we're going to look at, and then I have one frame here. This is,
Is this your last one?
yeah, this is my last one. And these are actually my oldest ones.
Oh. I want that one.
I see how it's old.
So yeah, these Landon, he had the symbol of the, and you could tell he was a Republican because he had the elephant, and he had the symbol of the sunflower.
Those two.
It looks like
Yes.
that one's like part broken.
Yep. Yeah. So
These
these
two are pretty cool.
they are cool. So
That one isn't even a pin unless it's like.
yeah,
behind it.
this is McKinley and Roosevelt, and so is this and this.
These
So this
two
was
are-
from 1896 is
these
when
two
he.
are kind of look like coins, but like pin style.
Yeah,
uh-huh.
but is there like a little like
Stabby
Like-
thingy.
Yeah,
this?
there is in the back of it. Yeah. So these 3 right here are over 120 years old.
Oh my!
And then Wilson was president
Oh, you have a
in
corn.
1913.
It's corn. It big
So,
lump and now.
That was
It
so that was FDR, and he used the corn as a symbol to appeal to farmers. So he did that to try to appeal to farmers. Huh? You want me to close it out?
Yeah.
All right. So please like and subscribe. This was fun. We're going to do more videos. We've got a lot of other ideas for future videos. So you can check out the videos that we've got here on the screen right now, and so some of the other cool ones that we've done. And we'll see you next time. And remember, God loves you.